Ri Bhoi College Hadien lai punyo snem kajingya lenti banai kajing sekri kisamlau puli haka santerik risau arajar puai kalayo kajing itu nak Sorkar Jylla kata bakinoi kai bat kinong trai kani kaslam ajing start on siu tulop no dak Sorkar Jylla haka jelang bansim jing itu kani kacaka puli kum ka People's College la pentep bakhalai tili kipus kidei pradep manglepa bat khatprat lipat kikam kidei kibadang mang thamai haka ni kasni la sakhi dak kajingwan ye don lang ba lakman rumbui menteri ketana puli ke Sorkar Jylla kum Kongsan u Dr. Didi Lapang Chief Advisor ke Sorkar Jylla u Emily Kanongpo ba Meral Bonds lem kiwe ki he Sorkar na district nolor principal u ba SSR Bamon Secretary ke Kong W Kebla ki samla puli bat kinong hikai.
On this encouragement, we've grown and we walked ups and down till we reached this time, this day. This is a very special occasion to mention, to upgrade our college as one of very few in the state. We're thankful to the government that they have found it fit that Ri Bhoi College be included in the list, and we got this announcement to you. Your kind presence gave us really encouragement and a better light. The horizon of hope is creeping our shade. Well, we are thankful for the chief guest that he has spared his time. We have been arranging several days. Dates are kept. He comes here and we kept on shifting due to the pressure of work. As a Minister of Home, Education and other responsibilities, it's a very tough time. The situation that disturbed the peace and the way of life in the state, and all the more with the existence of the pandemic, which have created havoc and created all the fear psychosis in the mind of each and everyone. When precious souls have been taken away from among the family, and also fellow friends, and they're facing tremendous problem.
Ri Bhoi is one of the districts where we are looking how to develop. That's why we have already completed the construction of college at Pathakma. I hope next year, the 50th year of our statehood, we will be able to start the college in the customary hall that is in Pathakma. And we know that Ri Bhoi College, for the last 37 years, it has done a human service to the student community of the Ri Bhoi, to the people of the Ri Bhoi. And we know that the government from time to time try to extend what are facilities to this college. But it's not good enough. Yes, 13 posts have been sanctioned in the last many years. And we know from the principal of the college and from the secretary of the college that about 51 teaching and non-teaching staff are there in this college. I'm not telling that what we are doing today will fulfill everything. No. Education is a very dynamic. What we fulfill today is just a step for in the coming days. So that's why we are trying to look at each and every corner of the state. It is not a very easy decision. It is the first government that in one sitting at July in the current meeting that we take a decision to implement the People's College scheme in Nine College. We hope that the College of Planning and Architecture in Turan will start next year, subject to the approval of regulatory authority. These are the things which are in the pipeline in the field of higher education. Mount Plan College, Science College, we hope to start next year. This we are all doing for the benefit of the community, moreover, to fulfill our responsibility to give back to the society. We are not doing all that in the primary for the welfare of the student. The scholarship the merit scholarship which the student get 100 per month, we have increased to 700 for those students who qualify in that merit scholarship. Not only that, post-matric scholarship for all these years, which is about 4,000, 5,000. Last year, in one decision, we increased it from 15,000 to 35,000, depending upon the category or the course which the students are doing. But a very sad thing, prior to 2018, about tens and thousands of students applied for scholarship. But last year, only around 7,000 students benefit from scholarship. The problem is that the income living. I have written to the ministry that they should increase income limit to 4.5 lakh. If they increase, many of the student community will benefit. So it is a work in progress for the student welfare also. Besides that, for primary school, for elementary and secondary school, 191 LP schools have been sanctioned for accreditation, and secondary school and high school schools also with new building. And we hope that this year will trend, because we know that LP school all over the state, they are in a very shambles